Iranian ballistic missile exploding. Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates intercepted 2 ballistic missiles. The United Arab Emirates intercepted 2 ballistic missiles targeting Abu Dhabi early Monday, its state-run news agency reported, the latest attack to target the Emirati capital. The attack on Abu Dhabi, after another last week killed 3 people and wounded 6, further escalates tensions across the Persian Gulf as Yemen's years-long civil war grinds on. The state-run WAM news agency said that missile fragments fell harmlessly over the capital, Abu Dhabi. Videos posted to social media showed the sky over the capital light up before dawn Monday, with points of light looking like interceptor missiles in the sky. The missile fire disrupted traffic into Abu Dhabi International Airport, home to the long-haul carrier Etihad, for about an hour after the attack. In recent days, a Saudi-led coalition that the UAE backs unleashed punishing airstrikes targeting Yemen, knocking the Arab world's poorest country off the internet and killing over 80 people at a detention center. The Houthis had threatened to take revenge against the Emirates and Saudi Arabia over those attacks. On Sunday, the Saudi-led coalition said a Houthi-launched ballistic missile landed in an industrial area in Jizan, Saudi Arabia, slightly wounding a foreigner.